Happy third Sunday of Advent, family. This is Gaudete Sunday. Gaudete means rejoice in Latin. And today we light the rose-colored candle, the candle of joy. 3 candles now glowing. The entrance antiphon for today's Mass says it perfectly. Rejoice in the Lord always. Again I say, rejoice. Indeed, the Lord is near. Philippians 4, verses 4 through 5. Joy isn't pretending everything is perfect. Christian joy is knowing that the Lord is near, closer than our next breath, no matter what is happening. This week, every time you see that rose candle, let it remind you, Jesus is coming, and He is already here, bringing joy that circumstances can't steal. Go to Mass today. Wear something pink or rose if you want to celebrate Gaudete Sunday. Receive Him in the Eucharist and let your heart smile. I'll be back tomorrow morning with one devotion that will carry us all week long. See you then.